Recon here with Techout. This week Apple has killed off, well, in the last 2 weeks Apple has killed off 2 products. We lost the iMac Pro. As you can see here, it is no longer available. It's while supplies last, but you can't configure it anymore. So you can only get this configuration right here. And then one of their music products, surprisingly not the iPod Touch, the OG HomePod, the regular HomePod, has been killed off as well. They don't have any more of these. It was while supplies last, but the only one still available is the white one. Space Gray is currently all sold out, as well as for online and Apple stores near me. The white is still available for both shipping and Apple stores right now, probably because that was probably one of the less common ones. I usually see the black one being a more common color, especially for the HomePod and the HomePod Mini. So we don't know if we're going to lose any more products here shortly within the next couple days or the next week. A lot of people are expecting this one to be next, but I hope they replace the HomePod with something, either just an updated HomePod with the U1 chip so you can do the music transfer and stuff like that with your iPhone a lot more seamlessly like you can with the HomePod Mini. I also would like to see a HomePod with a screen on it. That's one of the reasons I still have Alexas, is because I can have the like the Echo Show, and I can use it as a clock, and the news scrolls by and the weather scrolls by, and I can just glance at it and see that kind of stuff without having to interact with it. So a HomePod that does that would be amazing as well. But we'll see if we lose anything else. Maybe we'll see some updates to these devices at the March event. Unsure, but we will see. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a